Welcome back, my dear students. In the last session, we finished part 2 of chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In this session, let us learn part 3 of chapter number 9. Exercise 9.4, question number 1, multiply the binomials. Now let's write question number Roman number 2. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Solution. So now we have to multiply y minus 8 into 3y minus 4 is equal to sign. If we want to multiply this, first we have to write down this y, and this y will multiply this bracket 3y minus 4, then minus 8 will multiply this bracket 3y minus 4. Y into 3y is 3y squared, then this sign minus sign, write 4 first, 4 into y is 4y, then minus sign, 8 into 3 is 24y, minus into minus is plus, 8 4 are 32. Here we see that these two are like terms. Like terms we can add or we can subtract according to the sign. So 3y square minus, this is minus sign, this is also minus sign, so we have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 24 is 28, so 28y, and the last number is 32, and this is the answer. See, dhyan tare ko. Now let's try Roman number 5. Solution. This is same as Roman number 2, so first write this 2pq plus 3q square into this 3pq minus 2q square, bracket close. Now this 2pq will multiply this second bracket 2pq into this 3pq minus this 2q square, then plus 3q square, let's write here 3q square, and this will multiply this 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, now next steps. This 2pq will multiply 3pq. 2 into 3 is 6. P into p is power r adding, then p square. Q into q is power r adding, then q power 2. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. The first one is p. Q into q square is, if we add the power, here q have power 1, here power 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, so q power 3. Then plus sign, 3 into 3 is 9. Here q power 2, here q power 1, but let's write this p first. Q square into q is power 1 plus power 2 is power 3. Q power 3. Then minus sign, 3 into 2 is 6. Here q power 2, here q power 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So q to the power 4. Understand or not? Here we see that these two are like terms. pq cube, pq cube. So this is minus, this is plus. Since the sign are different, we have to subtract these two. First, let's write this 6p square q square. Here minus and plus, 9 is bigger, so keep the bigger sign, plus sign. From 9, if we subtract 4, we are getting 5. Then p q cube. Then minus sign, 6q to the power 4. Here, this is the answer. See, yai ko babadum tari ko. Next question. Next is, let's try question number 2. Find the product. This also same as question number 1. Roman 1 and 2 are same, so let's try this Roman number 2. No, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try this 3. A square plus b into a plus b whole square. Let's try this 3. Now solution. We have to find the product. So here the first bracket is a square plus b, and the second bracket is a plus b square, and we have to multiply these two. Okay, now let's multiply. Here the first term is a square, and this will multiply the second bracket a plus b square. After that, here the second term is plus b, and this will multiply the second bracket a plus b whole square. If a square and a are multiplied, power are adding, then since here is power 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, so a power 3. Then plus, if a square and b square are multiplied, then we will get a square and b square. Understand or not? Next is plus sign. If b and a are multiplied, according to the English alphabet, let's write a first. A, b like this. Then plus sign. If b and b square are multiplied, then here b have power 1. Power 1 plus 2 power 3 is b power 3. Here this question is over. See, gyan tarani ko. Remaining questions are same, so you can practice this at home. Now let's try this question number 3. Simplify. Roman number 1 and 2 are same, so let's do this Roman number 2. So now question number 3, Roman number 2, solution. Now solution. So copy the question. A square plus 5 b cube plus 3 plus 5. Okay, now next step. Here the first term is a square. This a square will multiply this bracket b cube plus 3. Next plus 5 will multiply this bracket b cube plus 3. Next is plus 5, so plus 5. Gyan tari ko. So a square multiply b cube, then we'll get a square b cube. Then next is plus sign. This 3 and a square are multiplied, then we'll get 3a square. Then plus sign. 5 multiply b cube, that is 5b cube. Next is plus sign. 5 into 3 is 15. Then plus 5. Gyan tay ko sir. Now let's select like terms. Here like terms are only these two. So we have to write down this same, this also same, this also same. 15 plus 5 we have to add together. So we're writing this, and this also writing here, then plus sign, then this. 5b cube plus 15 plus 5 is we are getting 20, and this is the answer. Yare ko, bhap tare ko. Now let's try Roman number 4, solution. Solution. So write this question first. A plus b c minus d plus a minus b c plus d plus 2 bracket ac plus bd bracket close. Now this a will multiply c minus d, so a into c minus d. After that, this plus b will multiply c minus d, c minus d. Then plus this a will multiply c plus d, so a into c plus d. Then this minus b will multiply c plus d, c plus d. Plus next, let's write this 2, then ac plus bd. Understand? Then next steps. A multiply c, that is ac. A multiply d, minus sign here, then ad. B multiply c, that is bc. Then this sign, minus sign. B multiply d, that is bd. Then plus sign. A multiply c, that is ac. Then this sign, plus sign. A multiply d, that is ad, minus sign. B multiply c, that is bc. Minus into plus is minus. B into d is bd. Plus sign. 2 into ac is 2ac. Plus 2 into bd is 2bd. Understand or not? Now next step. Now we are going to select like terms. Let us select like terms. Here ac, here also ac, here also ac. These three are like terms. So this ac let's write here. Then next is this plus ac right here, and this plus 2ac right here. plus 2ac. These are like terms, so use a bracket. Next is AD. So AD also, let's select like terms. Here AD, here also AD. So this minus AD and plus AD, these two are like terms, so write together. Minus AD, and again plus AD. After that, again let us select like terms. Here BC, here also BC. So this BC and this BC are like terms, so let's write together. So here plus BC, and here also again minus BC. Again let us select like terms. Here is BD, here is again BD, and here is again BD. So these three are like terms. Okay, let's write these like terms together. So this minus BD, then this again minus BD, then this plus 2BD, then bracket close. And this three are like terms. This also plus, same sign, so we'll add together. Here 1, here 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so we'll get 4AC. Understand? The next is, this is minus, this is plus, but these two are same number, so we can cancel this. Then after that, BC minus BC, this also we can cancel this. Then next is, keep this plus sign. This minus BD and this minus BD, both the signs are equal, so same sign will add together. So minus BD, if we add together, here is 1, here is 1, so we'll get minus 2BD. Next is plus 2BD, plus 2BD. Next is 4AC, 4AC. If this is minus and this is plus, we have to subtract these two. From 2, if we subtract 2, there is 0. So 0 we are not used to write. We are not going to write down 0. So this is the answer. Si gyan tarani ko, di mathangi question mo yang si. These questions are same type of questions. So next question, let's do Roman number 6. Roman number 6, now solution. X plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. So this x will multiply this bracket, x square minus xy plus y square, bracket close, then plus y will multiply this brackets, x square minus xy plus y square. Understand? Then next is x multiply x square, power are adding, then x cube. X multiply xy, x into x is power are adding, then x square, after that y, plus sign, x into y square, there is x y square. Next is plus sign, y into x square, let's write x first, x square y. Next is minus sign, y multiply xy, then we'll get x, y into y is, we are adding power, then y power 2, then plus sign, y is multiplying y square, then power are adding, then y cube. Gyan tari ko. Next step, let's see like terms. This and these are like terms, x square y, but here is minus, here is plus, sign are different, so these two can cancel. Again, xy square and xy square, these two are again like terms. And let us see the sign. Here is plus, here is minus, so these two also we can cancel. Then x cube left, plus sign y cube left, and this is the answer. See, bhab tarani ko yarani ko. Remaining questions are same, so let's not waste time. So you try remaining questions. Now let's try next exercise. Let's study the term identity. An identity is an equality which is true for every values of the variable in it. Let us see this example. X plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Here this x is called variable. Now for x equal to 1, now let's put this x1 and let's find out this value. This is called left hand side and this is called right hand side. This is left hand side and this is called right hand side. First let's find out the value of left hand side. Here left hand side is x plus 2, x plus 3. If we are taking x equal to 1, so this x will be now 1 and plus 2, and again this x will be 1 plus 3. Then is equal to sign 1 plus 2 is 3. Here is into sign 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 4 times is 12. We are getting 12. Then let's find out right hand side also. Right hand side is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let's write this here. X squared plus 5x plus 6. X is 1, so this x is 1 square plus 5x is 1 into 1 plus 6. Then 1 square is 1 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Then 6. Let us add together. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we see that 12 and 12 are equal. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. We see that left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, let's write thus. Thus left hand side is equal to right hand side. Again, let's take for x equal to 2 and let's find out left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is equal to, take this, x plus 2, x plus 3. X is now 2, so 2 plus 2. Then x is 2, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2 is 4 into 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 4 times is 20. We get 20. Now let's find out right hand side. Right hand side is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then x is 2, so this x is 2 square plus 5 into x is 2 plus 6. Let's find out this value. 2 square is 4 plus 5 to the time is 10 plus 6. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 20. And we see that 20, 20 are equal. Thus, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, for every value of the variable x, x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is true. So, this type of equality is called identity. See, yarni ko bhab tarni ko se. State the high C. Identity si equality amani karamba equality no haiba kanda ngasai gi variable gi loading ba value du lobo kanda ngasai gi equality du sumba taragadi ngasai gi pyramid ba equality du identity ni haiba. Yare ko bhab tarni ko. Now, let us see some standard identities. Here, a plus b into a plus b, or if we multiply these two, since these two numbers are same, we can write power 2. So a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. Then this a will multiply this a plus b. Then this plus b will multiply this a plus b. A into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ba plus b into b is b square. So this ab and this ba are like terms. If we add together, then we will get 2 times of ab. Then we are getting a square plus twice ab plus we are writing this b square. Thus a plus b whole square is equal to this, a square plus twice ab plus b square. So these numbers in the box is called standard identities, and these standard identities we will apply when we are trying to solve the exercise. So we have to use this as formula. So thus we get this also, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square, and we are getting this also, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and we are getting this also, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab, and these equalities in this bracket are known as standard identities, and we have to use this as formula when we try to solve the exercise. So standard identities, number 1, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Number 2, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Number 3, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Number 4, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab. And you need to by heart this. We have to use this when we try to solve the exercise. Okay, now we can start the exercise. Exercise 9.5. Question number 1. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. Let's try Roman number 2. Here suitable identity means just now we have learned this. These are called standard identities. From these identities we are going to use one suitable identity in that question, and we have to apply to solve the question. Okay, now let's try this Roman number 2. This is the question, now solution. So write this again, 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5. Here we see that these two numbers are same number. If we multiply the same number, we can put power 2. That means whole square. So if we want to apply suitable identity, this is the suitable identity. So number 1, a plus b whole square. So we have to think that 2y is a and 5 is b, so this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. So we have to use this formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, let's use that and let us try to solve this question. So according to that identity, this is a square plus 2 times of this is a and this is 5, after that b square. So you have to remind this identity, a square plus twice ab plus b square, and writing in the form of that a square plus twice ab plus b square. Next is 2 square is 4, after that y square, then 2 into 2 is 4, 4 5 times is 20, so we are getting 20y plus 5 square is we are getting 25. So this is the answer. I hope you can understand that. See, gyan tare ko. These identities are very important. Without using this, you cannot solve the exercise. So you have to make sure to by heart this. Okay. For today, let's stop here. All of you, thank you.